Welcome back to Backyard MTB, and today we're doing a bike check. I have a Nishiki Colorado Comp 27.5. I have half Nelson lock-on grips with Textro disc brakes and a SRAM NX drivetrain. I have an 120mm SR Suntour XCM fork. I have 27.5-inch Nishiki rims with Kenda Havoc tires. I have a SRAM NX drivetrain with a 52-tooth cassette. I have a 30-tooth chainring with Nishiki cranks and Rock Bros pedals. This is my GT Performer BMX bike. I have 20-inch GT rims and 20-inch GT tires with double guarding on the sides. The hub on my BMX is crazy, just listen.
Hey guys, it's me. My bike's now, so let's get to it. Yeah. Alright, so here's my mountain bike. It's called the Nishiki Wasatch. And it's from 2013, which is a good year, right, for some reason. Alright, so let's come up to the cockpit. So first in the cockpit we have these grips. Really nice, had them since my birthday. They're really smooth. Might have to get some new ones soon. They're getting crazy. Then I have Tektro, not hydraulic, mechanical disc brakes, which is awesome. I have the Box 2 Prime 9 shifter which offers front and back shifting, which is awesome. I have a 100mm fork, which is not bad, not good. I have a phenometer, which is awesome. My fork is an SR Suntour XCT. There you can see my disc brake and my Innova thingamabob. Then we got the mud guard, which is actually carbon fiber, so it's pretty slick. Then obviously we got the Moore Mountain Biking Association thing. Coil shock, really nice. Love how it's a full suspension. Then now to the pedals, Diamondback metal pedals. Alright, then here we got a race face. Don't know what it's called, but it's a race face chain ring. Nice box chain. Then move back here to the sick cassette. Obviously the 9, and then the shifter, which is probably the most expensive item on the bike. Love this seat, even though it's down most of the time when I ride. It's a great seat to just have. Really squishy and everything. And yeah, that's the mountain bike. Alright guys, so now here is the Diamondback Bmx, which is an awesome bike. Alright, so let's start up here in the cockpit again. So, smaller handlebars, not that bad. We got double breakage on the bike, which is pretty sick. Obviously, one goes through the head tube, which makes it so I'm able to spin around 360. And then this contraption right here is sick. It allows me so that I am able to turn the bike as many times as I want without anything happening, which is sick. So I can do like a 460 bar spin, if that's a thing. And then obviously the 2 adapters to make it go to from 2 to 1 or 1 to 2. 20-inch tires, bunch of spokes. If you've never noticed that, look at your mountain bike, and if you have a BMX, look at your BMX. There's so many more spokes on a BMX, it's like crazy. Fluorescent orange zip tie, because I can. These actually I took off my mountain bike because I wanted bigger pedals. These aren't bad pedals, but they're plastic, but they're not good either. I think this bike is a race bike because of how big this front chainring is. I don't know, like the star. And then look how small this cog is. Nice. Set sound. Not bad. Not bad. And then the seat, usually down most of the time, got a couple ripped up. Yeah, it's called the Diamondback Joker, which is awesome. Cool to have a Diamondback around here. And yeah, that's the BMX, which is sick. Alright guys, so here's the third and final bike. This is another BMX, which is pretty cool. My cousin gave this to our family, which is sick. It did come with brakes, but for some reason I decided to take them off to make it spicy. Here, let's go up to the cockpit. So, obviously, no brakes. Cool, grips. And then this one actually doesn't have as many spokes. Love the color of the bike. Nice black and white Kent ambush. Love this sticker. Then let's move on to the peds, which are not bad pedals. They actually provide some traction in your foot. And moving on to this side, that chain ring. Wrong way. Love the cassette sound, or the cog sound, or whatever it's called, the thingamabob. Lot of tooth chain ring. Loose chain, might have to fix that sooner or later. Love how this is blue to black, and it's not just straight black. Seat is actually probably the squishiest seat I've ever seen in my life. It is, like, awesome. Not even gonna lie to you. And then, yeah, that is pretty much it. Alright, let's start with here first. Okay, so, now this is my full face helmet. You guys may have seen it in a couple videos. Love this thing. Very sentimental to me. Love the protection. That's why it's a motocross helmet. Very squishy on the inside. Nice snug fit. Really can get you some good protection when you need it. Alright, now let's move on to the gloves. So these I got for my birthday, which was sick. Love these gloves. I like how they're gel padded, which makes them really traction-y, I guess the word is. Love how they're half fingered, so I still have like air breeze thing. Got some little rippage right here. That's okay. Now let's move on to this helmet. Trail helmet, not bad. Might be getting a new one sooner or later, hopefully. Reflector, because that one broke off. Protects me if I fall, which is pretty much that all needs to do. Now there are the goggles. Probably the most coolest thingamabob on the gear set. They're Bollies, pretty sick. Nice color changing thing. Purple over here, green if you blend it up. Yeah, in here. Nice see-through. It's like gives it a red tint. Yeah, that's the gear. Right, guys, thank you for watching Backyard MTB. Hope you guys enjoyed. There might be a snowboarding and sledding video coming out soon because, I mean, it did snow, didn't stick, but we're supposed to get snow on Wednesday, which will be sick. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. 2 dudes, 2 bikes, 20 trails. Peace!